The value of thermal breaks on fixed vertical glazing. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we will look at the value of thermal breaks within fixed vertical glazing systems and how dual thermal breaks can improve thermal performance by reducing heat transfer between the interior and the exterior. These thermal images illustrate the value of thermal breaks. The image on the left is a section through a non-thermal vertical. You can see from the brighter light purple on the lower section that heat is moving from the interior to the exterior, warming the exterior and cooling the interior. The middle image shows a vertical with a single thermal break. The exterior is a darker purple, indicating that it is cooler, and yellow on the interior indicates that it is warmer than the image to the left of it. The image on the right is a vertical with a dual thermal break. You can see clearly the impact that the exterior is very dark purple, indicating that it's very cold, while the interior is much warmer, almost orange. This shows that the dual thermal break is keeping the interior warmer and restricting heat flow to the exterior. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.